So what's up, guys? Here we are. This is just one day before the DGR 2026, and we've been invited, which is actually pretty amazing. We've been invited to go to Moto Market and try out the Shoei helmet fitment system, which is like their own way of like customizing the perfect fit for your helmet. So we are gonna go to Green Hills, to Moto Market Green Hills. That's where the branch that has invited us to be in. And we're gonna have a look at what it's about. How about you? Are you excited, Anne? Ooh. So yeah, we're gonna have a look at Shoei helmets. So yeah, let's go, boys.
Here we go. We're making our way to Motor Market Green Hills, and yeah, I mean, I got word that they had the helmet system just a day after the Arai video, so to me that was like a great opportunity to try like literally Arai's rival when it comes to Japanese level helmets, or like Japanese premium helmets, because it's been a long known figure that the two brands have been almost like rival companies, where Arai gives their patented head shape and Shoei goes for the more modern look with some insane graphics designs of their own as well. So I think it will be a great opportunity for us to try and see how they advertise their helmet fitment system, because they say that it's unique to them. So given that I have no experience with Shoei helmets, it's going to be like a nice way to be like going into this kind of thing firsthand as a new potential owner of a helmet. So they've said that as long as you're going to buy a Shoei helmet, the fitment check is going to be free, because it's part of them giving you, the perfect fit for the helmet that you're going to buy. And I was honest, and I told them that I apologize, I don't have the money to buy a Shoei helmet right now, but I would love to make a video out of it, because it's the first time I've heard about something like it. And it said, okay, if you have the time, you can show up tomorrow within 10 to 3, because that's when we have our services up. And they say it's a limited time thing. It's kind of sad. I mean, I hope, they can do more of it in the future, or, keep it as a permanent feature in selected branches, if not all of their branches, because Motor Market is the main, carrier of the Shoei brand right now. So, they typically have the biggest quantity of Shoei helmets on sale, and they usually also have the latest Shoei helmet designs. So it'd be a great way of them, cementing their place as the go-to for Shoei helmets. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's gonna be pretty interesting. I'm also pretty excited. I want to see how it feels like to get yourself fitted exactly for the helmet that you want. So, on that top, guys, let's get going.
says that we're close. Well, hopefully we are. No. Cool shape. Oh, speed bumps. Ah, it's because I think it's cool, that's why. It's a nice little place. You know, only the rich usually are here. And we are not. So we are clearly not rich. Silver should be nearby. So I think we should come across it pretty soon. Oh yeah. Now where can we park our things? Ah, maybe here. So here we are then, boys. It's actually pretty big. Wow, they even have a separate, I think, dinette here in the AGB area. Damn, you know it's big if they have a separate area for it. So yeah. Alright boys, we're gonna get ourselves situated. And we'll be back in a bit.
The Green Hills branch of Motor Market is located along Ortigas Avenue and isn't in a mall like I used to see them. But I'm guessing this is due to their space requirements since they have a separate area for their Dainese brand. And once you walk into the main Motor Market area, you'll see a plethora of brands such as Oxford bags, Givi boxes, helmets like Nolan and Schuberth, and of course their extensive Shoei lineup at the most visible wall of the store. While at the shop, there's also complimentary coffee, which actually tastes quite nice. So while we waited for an opportunity to film them in the process, we both had a cup.
Okay, so here we are. We have a customer that is already gonna start having their helmet checked, and we are here with Sir Jeff from the Shoei PFS system, and he is gonna walk us through on what you do, how the system works, how you get your helmet fitment done. So, without further ado, Kuya, please do.
Sir, una kong tanong, nagbabalaklaba po ba kayo, sir, pag kayo? May dala po ba tayo na balaklaba, sir? Okay lang po ba masuot natin? Kasi kasama rin siya sa sukat, sir. Ayun, gaya din ng tanong ko kanina, sir, kamusta po yung gamit natin dito sa helmet? May nararamdaman po ba kayo na parang maluwag dito sa may bandang front, top, rear, left, and right?
So far, okay naman siya. Medyo mainit lang. Saka medyo kapit lang.
Yes po, okay.
Hindi ko alam kung yun yung tama or
Apo.
kailangan na.
Yun sir, bali ganito ang gagawin natin, susukatin natin sa inyo kung para malaman talaga natin kung ano yung tamang fit para dun sa ulo niyo po. Sige sir, patanggal lang din po nung eyeglass. Sukat mo muna na walang fitting, nung parang demo. Sige po, sukat mo. Ayun, ganyan yan. Yung makikita nyo sa may parang eyebrow nyo sir, medyo nakababa na po siya. Ibig sabihin, possible yung sa may ibabaw na ito, maluwag. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, sir, susukatan na kita nung measurement natin. Doon natin malalaman, sir, kung merong adjustment dyan sa may bandang top na part. Okay, sir, parimdalan din po. Ito, sir, masigit?
Tama lang.
Tama lang. Ito, pag binitawan ko,
Ayun, okay. Yung dito lang ang sa harap lang ang nakikita.
ito, sir, yan. Okay ka dito? O medyo may sikip?
May sikip.
Pag nire-release ko, sir, yan. Yan.
Okay.
Okay. Sir. Ito, sir, masigip po ba? Ito. Ayan, sir.
May sikip dito.
Dito. Ito, yan. Ito, mas okay na, sir. Mas better.
Yeah, nag-light na. Mas okay ba may nakifeel ka or
Mas maganda, sir, po. Kaya medyo pag pinapress ko siya, kung sakaling masyadong masikip, ganun. Ayan, mas better, sir. O, Ayan.
Nafe-feel ko siya.
Ayan. The height. Ito sir, base kasi sa sukat ng length, width, tsaka height mo, ang pinaka-size mo lang talaga sir is medium. Apo. Kaya possible baka hindi mo lang din masyado na-feel yung ano, yung parang may maluwag na part. Gaya niya, may mga recommended may mga naka-recommend na adjustment dun sa may part na nabanggit ko kanina.
Dagdag na.
Apo. Bali ngayon, tatry ko muna siya lagyan ng para mga demo natin. Then, pasukat ko sa inyo, ano yung difference sa wala pa nakalagay.
So bali at this point, boss, tatry po na i-adjust yung
Yes po,
fairness, no?
opo.
Ano po ngayon yung helmet size niyo, sir?
Si sir is large.
Large ang nabili ko. Pero ang recommended niya, medium lang.
Medium. Sir, may tatanggalin lang po muna ako sa ano yun sa pads nyo.
Doon na pala siya sa shell niya.
Ano to sir, didikit natin sa mismong paddings ng helmet nyo. Bali ito, yung parang trial muna to, kung komportable po ba kayo para at least ma-feel natin or ma-feel nyo yung pinaka-comfort ng fitting sa inyo. Kasi for example yan, gaya niyan, masukat mo to, may masakit na part, i-adjust natin. Then pag alimbawang okay ka na doon sa may fitting na nagawa natin, kung komportable ka na, tsaka natin siya ipa-finalize. Tsaka natin didikit sa may mismong paddings ng helmet nyo.
Long ride ko na. 600 kilometers.
Saan niyo, boss, dinala niyan?
Sa Kapari.
Layo.
Oh, ayos.
Doon ka ngayon, na-try ko na umulan. Sabi ko, okay to ah. Kasi dati, pag gumuulan, napapag na yung mga helmet. Ito, wala. Tapos wala rin leak dito sa loob.
Ano pa yan ha? Partida, wala pa siyang pinlock or antay pag nakakabit.
ano?
Yun nga, nabilib ako dyan. Sabi ko, okay to ah.
Sir, pasok na lang po ng balaklava. Then, patry ko po sa inyo na merong ano. Then, explain nyo sa akin, sir, kung ano yung pakiramdam sa may, ano, tatanggal po ng eyeglass, sir. Iyan mo, sir. No, ano. Yan. Kamusta yung feel, sir?
Nagkano siya? Fit.
Parang may ano yung mga spaces opo. Yun po yung ina-explain ko sa inyo kanina. Medyo hindi niyo siya napapansin. Ngayon once na nalagyan kasi natin ng ano yan, ng mga paddings, doon mo mafe-feel lalo yung ano nung fitting ng helmet natin. Ibig sabihin yung mga part na nalagyan natin sir, ibig sabihin maluwag yun sa fitting ng ulo nyo kanina before natin siya lagyan. Pero pagdating sa may pinaka-top sir, ay sa may front, wala namang masakit. Sa may rear, wala naman po. Tapos try nyo yung eyeglass. Tsaka medyo umangat na yun dito, yung sa may ano niya. Kanina masyadong lubog.
Lagi kaya nakapagod.
Sa cheek sir, di naman masikip, okay naman.
Ito, ever since. Mas
Pero yun talaga yan po.
pero di,
Then the rest, yung sa may mga pililagyan natin na part, okay naman po.
ang difference niya, nafe-feel ko siya lang.
Yes, opo. Ibig sabihin, equal na yung sukat nun sa ulo nyo. Wala namang masakit, yung sa may front, rear, okay naman na po tayo sa may fit na ganyan, sir. Ngayon, pag okay ka na dyan, sir, tsaka natin lalagay yung final na, ano, kakabitan na natin yung helmet nyo. Yung weight, medyo mas umano, diba, sir? Parang mas masarap na siyang gamitin.
Wala na siyang isang pressure. Wala.
Yan, sir. Ilagay na natin.
I mean, I guess nagigets mo nga rin kasi minsan kapag wala sa sukat yung helmet, like,
May isang area na pain, may pressure point.
oh,
Parang dito lang.
ganun na ako sa akin, boss eh. Kasi ano, XL ako usually, pero minsan nag-XXL ako. Ang nangyayari,
Weight.
yung noo ko parang nabibigatan.
Opo, yun po. Ibig
Pero
sabihin, may maluwag na part po yun.
Oo.
Tsaka hindi na yung pads yung sumasalo doon sa ano. Kumbaga, nararamdaman nyo na yung parang pinaka-EPS nung helmet natin.
Pwede na yung data rin.
Opo. For example, ma-finish natin tong ano nyo, sa sukat nyo. Kukunin ko yung details nyo, email address, para at least magpapadala po ng copy sa inyo. Makikita doon, sir, kung ano yung mga binago doon sa helmet natin.
Every time bibili ka, yun na pag
Yes po. Kung same model, sir, ha? Pero pag hindi siya totally same model, mas maganda mag-perform pa rin tayo ng PFS.
Ako, so kung halimbawa, si Sir naka-GTR, tapos
Naka-ZH siya, bibili siya ng Glamster. Iba po ang mga sizing ng Glamster natin. Kumbaga, yung mga ano kasi natin, sir, nakadepende sa riding style. For example, kung mga sporty ano si Sir, yung mga X15 series natin, yan yung medyo talagang tight yung sa cheek.
Oo.
Unlike nito, hindi naman totally kailangan sobrang sikip, at least andun pa rin yung comfort ng ano natin. Kasi kung sakaling ganun yung nangyari, doon natin tatanungin si customer yung comfort niya, kung masikip po ba or maluwag. Doon tayo magpe-perform na magbabawas or possible magdagdag.
Okay. Tapos, nabalitaan ko rin po, Sir, na parang limited time lang di po na nangyayari na ng PFS dito sa Pinas or sa moto market at least. Is there any chance ba na magiging mas madala siya in the future?
Ngayon kasi, sir, bali since na ang inaano po lang kasi natin, sir, free pa siya. Ngayon, limited lang din kasi yung mga available natin na mga pandagdag gagaya nito. Pero possible, magkakaroon na tayo ng ganito dito, sir. Kaya meron tayong booking, kumbaga limited lang yung ano natin, yung mga availability ng mga paddings na didikit sa helmet natin.
Okay po.
Pero soon or ano, mag-advise naman si Moto Market or Moto World regarding sa PFS natin.
Okay, so bale, stay tuned na lang
Yes
sa
po.
SOCMED pages nila. May chance din po ba na pwede natin pwede natin sendan ng message yung show na magdala sila ng mga keychain nila na helmet dito? Nakita ko po yung mga keychain nila na helmet, ang gaganda eh.
Yes po. Nung first day natin yung grand launch ng PFS natin, sir, may parang pinabigay sila ng mga keychain ba yun, sir?
So may nakita kami sa tindahan ng shop din po sa Aray, may mga collections din.
Ngayon, sir, meron naman tayong available, kaso ngayon, demand kasi, sir, ubos na yung stocks natin. Nagkaroon naman tayo, nagre-range siya ng mga 490, yung price niya.
Yung mga keychain na yun?
Keychain, po. Meron tayong X15, tsaka Glamster.
Ayun. Tonto si Mrs. na sa mga keychain na Glamster, yung mga Wala, yan ang mabibili kong show Keychain.
Keychain.
Yan ang kaya ng budget ko ngayon. Shit.
So kanina yung padding, pang test lang.
Opo, bali ito na yung ipa-final natin.
Re-restore. Ano nagre-restore?
Yun, maganda yung tanong mo, sir. Unang-una, bago tayo mag-perform ng PFS, unang-una namin i-double check yung condition ng natin, sir, yung mga paddings. For example, gaya niyan, meron kasi mga model si Shoei na, sabihin natin, matagal na. Tapos may time na pag dumating dito, pulbos na yung upper niya, hindi na tayo magpe-perform ng PFS doon. Unless kung bibili sila ng bagong pads, tsaka tayo magpe-perform ng PFS doon sa helmet niya. Kasi usually pag nagpulbos kasi, sir, wala na tayo pagdidikitan ng Kumbaga, sinasuggest namin na mas maganda, palitan yung buong crown part niya. Tapos,
Bibili pa rin kahit,
may nabibili naman nun, sir.
kahit mga 80s.
Hindi naman, sir.
Grabe naman yung vintage na.
It's nga yun It's pre-restore dahil
Pero pag mga ganun, nakadepende, sir, kung sa availability ng mga natin.
yung mga scooter na DU. Tattoo.
So bali, papatungan lang yung pads.
Opo. Kaya lalagyan ng ganito, sir. Yun yung nakita natin sa sukat ni sir na may mga maluluwag na part. Tsaka to, sir, mafe-feel mo na to pag nag-long ride ko ulit. Ibang-iba na. Tsaka iba talaga benefits ng mga perfect fit system natin sa sa comfort natin, sir. Ito, sir. Try niyo po ulit.
Final fitment.
Ano mo lang sa konti. Huwag mo siya masyado isalagan. Parang yan. Ganyan lang. Compared sa wala pang ganyan, sir, mas okay.
Parang nung tinukat mo.
Very nice.
Okay na, sir. Good na yung niya. Ngayon, once na mga finals, nadikit na natin yan, yung mga dinikit natin, meron pong curing time yan. 2 days bago mo siya laban yung pinaka niya, yung mga paddings niya. Ngayon, kunin ko yung contact details mo, sir, na lang nung name. And email address po. Po. Thank you, sir.
Akin na lang ito pwede.
Okay. Sige po. And Sir Jeff, thank you,
Yes, thank you.
po ulit for guiding us through and giving us a very nice hands-on process kung paano po ginagawa yung PFS dito sa motor market. So, any other words po you'd like to say before we head on to the next segment ba?
Bali, yun lang. Bali, sayang yung opportunity ng ano natin, PFS. Ngayon, maganda yung in-offer niya. Kumbaga, available naman to sa mga motor market customer natin. For example, sa atin nabili yung helmet, may chance na kayo na magpabook dito sa PFS na ongoing natin na PFS. So, yun lang.
Okay, sige po. Thank you po ulit.
So after the very informative experience with Motor Market, we went thrifting for Audrey's outfit for DGR tomorrow. And we had a Thai fried rice lunch. I ordered the braised beef fried rice while she got the traditional pad krapao, and both were amazing. So there you have it, boys. That is the Shoei Perfect Fit system, which they have normally in Japan, but will eventually be integrated into Moto Market in the future. So if you guys are interested in getting yourself a Shoei helmet, which, you know, is of course, I guess, every other biker's dream anyways, because like Shoei is just an amazing brand as well, and I would also like to have a Shoei helmet, but you know, can't get any at the moment. But yeah, it's been actually really informative the way that they go into depth on how they make sure that your head dimensions are perfectly in tune with the padding and the liner inside your helmet to make sure that you have a perfect and balanced fit for your head is really nice to see. And you know, it goes to show how the level of quality that these brands have, and you know, that's why they are deservingly priced as what they are, because typically the service is normal in Japan and you can sometimes have it for a fee, but now in the Philippines, since they're trying to introduce it and, you know, let Shoei owners like have word or like get word of the process that they have, or that the system that they're going to introduce in the future. It's nice to see that they're doing it for free for now, and eventually, once it becomes a permanent thing, that's when they're going to charge you for it. But I mean, either way, being charged or not, I mean, ensuring that you get a perfect fit for your helmet is always a good choice, boys. So I would not hesitate to have mine done if I ever have one in the future. So yeah, that has been it. I hope you all enjoyed that short vlog, and tomorrow is gonna be DGR, so oh my god, I actually have to sleep because it's already 9 in the evening.